very much. Candidate number 12. Okay, can we ask her and her escort to please step forward here? Okay, this is escort number 4. And candidate number 12. Next up, thank you very much. Next up is candidate number 6.
Yes, candidate number 6. She is Miss Rantal.
Actually, this candidate feel, although she won the talent competition, she's not doing well. She has... Don't worry, we will be assisting you here. Huh?
The competition is almost over.
Yes, okay. Fever or no fever, here is candidate number 6. Okay, so, ka-expect ba ka na ikaw ang ma-miss talent?
Yes. Oo. Ano ma'am?
Confident.
Kaya ako naman ito ay akong best parad to. Yes.
Okay, but I think that was the most wonderful birthday gift you can receive this August 25 because you were chosen as the Miss Talent. Okay, so dili na nga ito dugay-dugayon kay basig noong isa ni si number 6. Okay, please pick one question, please. Okay, so can you open? Okay, name. This is a very interesting question. What would you consider as the most serious problem of the youth today? Para nimo unsa man ang pinakadako o pinakaseryoso nga problema karon sa kabatan-unan? You can answer in any language na komportable ka. Are you ready? Okay, she is ready.
Well, for me, it is not... For me, not all the youth. It is the youth which is the problem because most of the youth has no respect already, even to themselves. And makaingon ko nga ang youth karon wala, dili na sila kahibaw mo. Unang-una kung sakto na ba ang ilang gibuhat kung or dili. That's all. Thank you.
Okay, thank you very much. Number 6. Okay, can the escort please assist our candidate here? This is escort number... Kapila 5. Kalima. Okay, mas may pang escort kaya malubos yung kapila siya. Number 5. Okay, so judges, don't forget, that's escort number 5 and candidate number 6.
Raul, I appreciate her for her effort and courage to put up through this fight till the end.
Okay, let's move on to candidate number 9.
Okay, candidate number 9. Okay, my question to you is, how important is your family to you? Are they here?
Yes.
Usa ka importante nimo?
For me, my family is very important because without my family, I don't.
Okay, siguro. You have anything to add? Okay, Raul. Let's not prolong.
One question, please.
Okay, let me read your question. Aside from the beautiful white sand beaches of Panglao, what are you most proud of about your town? Aside from the beautiful white sand beaches of Panglao, what are you most proud of about your town? Unsay imong gikapasigarbo sa imong lungsod?
Ayaw laki pa ang inyong white sandy beaches para nimo unsa ang imong ikagarbo sa imong para nimo ikagarbo nimo sa imong lungsod. Sa mga
question. Thank you for that nice question. For me, The most proud about my town is my family.
Ano man? Ganong proud mo kasi ng pamilya?
My family because kung wala akong pamilya, wala ko dinhi. And love na ko akong family because sila mo'y nag-atiman ako gikan sa akong pagkabata. O wala sila, wala ko dinhi.
Okay. Thank you very much. Okay, number 9.
Very well said. Thank you very much.
Escort. This is escort number 6. Okay, step forward, Maduha, please. Okay, this is escort number 6.
Okay,
Thank you.
Raul.
Finally, number 8.
Number 8 is Miss Tawala.
Tawala.
Miss
English. I think all, pero kanang gusto jud na ako kay kanang about ang mga English.
Okay, English. By the way, I'm an English teacher. So what is the difference between a subject, complement, adjective? No. Okay, I was joking. So anyway, okay, mutana ko nimo. Okay, ninobyo ka na ba? Wala pa siyang nobyo. So, pag nagkataong ninobyo ka na, ano kaya ang mga katangian ng lalaking mamahalin mo?
Siyempre yung Maginoo.
Maginoo ngunit medyo bastos? Ha? Ano pa? Maginoo? Mabait? Ano pa? Magalang?
Ang katangiang magandang ugali.
Okay, in other words, a figment of the imagination. No, I'm joking. Okay, anyway, I will just try to make you relax. Okay, pick one question, please. Can you open it? Okay, so Gail, that is a very interesting question.
Okay, it surely is. The question is, as a youth and as a Panglawanon, how can you help in the progress and development of Panglao? I'd like to repeat, as a youth and as a Panglawanon, how can you help in the progress and development of Panglao?
As a Panglawanon, I can help in the progress and development of Panglao. I was built for like this is SK, Sangguniang Kabataan. Gagawin po ako ng mga proyekto para sa mga kabataan, para hindi sila malulong sa mga masamang mga gawian tulad ng pagdroga.
Okay, so for the judges who can understand Tagalog and Bisaya, okay, she said that she's going to build a sort of a center, okay, so that she can have something for the youth and to drive, okay, that would give them, what's this field, to give them a recreational activities and let them stay away from vices such as drugs and whatever.
Okay, thank you very much.
Thank you very much.
Ms.
Okay,
Tawala.
good luck to you. Step forward, please, candidate number 8, and we have
Together with the
escort
escort.
number 7. All right, now we are going to request our candidates and their escorts to please move on.